Hello kids, in today's session we will cover all small friends, all plus big friends and some minus big friends. Okay, let's see. I have 8 with me. I added 8. I have to do plus 4 now. Okay, I know I have done plus big friends. So why will I do big friends only here? Because plus 4 has two formulas. One plus 5 minus 1. I can't do plus 5 minus 1 here. 5 is already there. And another one, if we can't do small friends, we go to big friends. Big friends formula of plus 4, plus 10, minus 6. So plus 10 minus 6 for plus 4 we have done. Now, what do I have to do? Minus 1. Okay, ma'am, I did minus 1. Now I have to do minus 2. Minus 2 has again two formulas, minus 5 plus 3 and minus 10 plus 8. Minus 5 I can't do. I don't have beats for 5, right? Now it's not like that you will apply the formula of minus 5. No, we have two options, which is the big friend now. What is the formula of minus two big friends? Minus 10 plus 8. I have 10. I can do plus 8 also. Okay. Now plus 9. I know the big friends formula of plus 9, that is plus 10 minus 1. So I did plus 10 minus 1. I didn't have beats to add 9, no? So I applied its formula. Now plus 3, I don't have beats for 3. So formula of 3 plus 10 minus 7. I couldn't do small friends also plus 5 minus 2. So that's why directly big friends. Now minus 2. Minus 2 again we just did minus 10 plus 8. Clear? Clear now. Okay. Next question. Add 3, add 4. I have beats, small friends beats for 4. Small friends I can apply for 4. So for 4's formula we have plus 5 minus 1. Now plus 3. Now small friends I can't do for 3 because anyways I don't have beats left. I have to apply formula. Plus 3 with small friends I can't do. So what is left? Big friends. Big friends formula of plus 3 plus 10 minus 7. Now minus 4. Minus 4, how will I do? I don't have beats. Obviously, I can't do small friends. Big friends formula, minus 10 plus 6. Okay, okay, ma'am. Now plus 5. Plus 5, I know, ma'am, very easy. Plus 10 minus 5. Now minus 4. Minus 4, minus 10 plus 6. Clear? Okay. I applied the formula of minus 4 at the last, which is minus 10 plus 6. Big friends formula because I didn't have beats for small friends formula. Okay. Now, we'll meet in the next video. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, do drop in the comment section. Okay. See you. Bye bye.